Did you ever come close to getting married?
I think not close to being married, but almost the one serious relationship I had in my life before I decided to join films, and that was very nice. It was my first and only like actual relationship.
Before?
Yes,
Wow.
and that's when I said, they were a very big industrial South Bombay family like mine, and same upbringing, same kind of education, same morals and values, exactly the same family setup and everything. On the books, it was all right, ticked all the boxes. But when I decided to make my foray into cinema, जब मैंने ये decision लिया कि I am quitting my investment banking and the stock market and going to be on a set in 4 days, um, my person, my companion did not want a person in the public eye. And that's why when I chose career over love. And that was the only time.
Did it hurt you?
It did hurt at that time, but I was so young. I was barely 21, 21, 22 when I was starting Kahona Pyare. That at that time, when he was 2-3 years older than me, and of course, as per Indian standards, वो सही वक्त था शादी करने ये करने, लेकिन मेरे लिए वो सही वक्त नहीं था. मुझे पहले तो अपने आप को ढूंढना था कि अमीशा कौन है. क्या अमीशा सिर्फ एक बेटी है? क्या अमीशा सिर्फ एक बहन है? क्या एक अमीशा सिर्फ एक एजुकेटेड लड़की है? क्या मैं सिर्फ एक बेटी बन के एक पत्नी बनने को तैयार हूँ एंड हैव द लाइफ दैट इज सपोज टू बी एज पर इंडियन सोसाइटी और जनरल सोसाइटी चॉक्ड आउट कि हाँ, एजुकेट इफ़ यू आर लकी, योर डॉटर शी इज़ लकी टू बी एजुकेटेड, इवन लकी अगर फॉरेन एजुकेशन उसके नसीब में हो, उसने अच्छी तालीम हासिल की है, लेकिन अब वक्त है उसकी शादी कर दो और बस फिर वो घर संभालेगी, किचन एंड देन द किड्स एंड द सेम साइकिल. मैं वो साइकिल नहीं चाहती थी. मैंने वो साइकिल देखा था विथ माई मदर, विथ माई आंट्स, विथ एवरीबडी who were one generation before. But the generation that I got most influenced by was actually मेरी दादी माँ, जो उस ज़माने में she was a more educated person than I am today. She had done her thesis, she had done her post-graduation, she had widely traveled, she was in the Communist Party, she was a freedom fighter, she had gone to jail. So she influenced me a lot. उनके ख्यालात बहुत ही फॉरवर्ड और प्रोग्रेसिव थे. उनकी ये कभी सोच नहीं थी कि एक लड़की का स्थान एक किचन में है और उनका मुकाम सिर्फ किचन में खाना बनाना और बच्चे पैदा करना. शी वॉज हाईली एजुकेटेड, वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव. उन्होंने इंटरकास्ट मैरिज किया था. शी वॉज महाराष्ट्रन ब्राह्मण. शी मैरिड माई ग्रैंड फादर हु वॉज गुजराती. अ मैरिज दैट एट दैट टाइम पीपल अपोज्ड, अ लव मैरिज दैट मेनी ईयर्स अगो. सो शी वॉज वेरी ओपन माइंडेड. तो मेरी इन्फ्लुएंस एजुकेशन के लिए उनसे आई थी. मैंने प्रोलिफिक अचीव्ड लोगों को मेरे घर में देखा था. नॉट ओनली अपने फैमिली का हिस्सा, लेकिन जिस हिसाब के लोग मेरे घर में आते थे. फ्रॉम पॉलिटिशियंस लाइक मिस्टर प्रफुल्ल पटेल, राजीव शुक्ला जी, फ्रॉम धीरूभाई अंबानी जी, who my grandfather helped set up Reliance.
क्या कहते थे उनके बारे में?
I used to see them in the house. मिसेस इंदिरा गांधी थे जिन्होंने मेरे माँ बाप की शादी का डेट फिक्स किया था. कोई जन्म पत्री सेट करके उनकी शादी तय नहीं हुई थी. मेरे दादाजी बैरिस्टर रजनी पटेल जी ने इंदिरा गांधी जी से पूछा था, इंदिरा, व्हेन आर यू फ्री? शी सेड, रजनी, आई एम फ्री ऑन द 4th of July. 4th of July डेट बुक हुई थी. ताज महल पैलेस साउथ बॉम्बे में कोलाबा में बुक हुआ था. एंड दैट्स हाउ माई पेरेंट्स गॉट मैरिड. ब्रीच कैंडी हॉस्पिटल में जब मैं पैदा हुई थी 9th June 75 में, द फर्स्ट विजिटर वॉज मिसेस गांधी टू सी मी. सो आई सॉ दिस पीपल बचपन से ग्रोइंग अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. देवानंद साहब, दिलीप कुमार साहब, M.F. हुसैन जो कलाकार घर में आते थे, दीवार पे कुछ पेंटिंग करते थे, निकल जाते थे. सो मैंने ये लाइफ देखी इतने लोगों के साथ, सच इन्फ्लुएंशियल पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ. सो द एक्सपोजर बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड ना, रणवीर, हैज़ बिन वेरी अमेजिंग. तो इसलिए आई थिंक ये भी एक वजह हो सकती है दैट टू फाइंड एक पार्टनर जो ये सबको समझे, अंडरस्टैंड करे और अप्रिशिएट करे, ये भी एक मुश्किल चीज़ हो जाती है. क्योंकि आई डोंट नो कि इसकी अहमियत कौन पहचान सकता है, बिकॉज सी दीज आर ट्रेजर्स दैट यू कैन नॉट पुट अ प्राइस टू. Growing up like this with prolific people's company, influence, education, words of wisdom, ये आप इस पे एक प्राइस नहीं लगा सकते. You know, it's another kind of royalty. And I feel very blessed to have had that. No amount of money can buy that.
I get why you can intimidate guys. It's a lot to like match up to.
I guess so. I don't know, but there has to be a match, right? Sometime.
Do girls care about looks?
I think everyone cares about looks
Yeah.
initially. I have never actually gone for looks, to be honest. I've, you know, some of the most good-looking men, and I don't mean from the film industry, outside, before even, they have had the hottest hots for me. And अगर उनकी personality और सब में कुछ charm नहीं है, and then I've not gone
Charm
for it.
होता क्या है?
I think वो हर एक के लिए अलग चीज़ होती है, you know.
Okay.
But yeah, there are ये होती है, it's inherent in a man, you know. And I think for each woman a charm is different, right? That's why women are a
तो
bit different.
आपके लिए charm क्या है?
I think I look at a lot how generous a man is with his emotions, how he treats, like you tell a lot with a man, how he treats people who are subordinate to him. You know, staff, waiters, his you know, he should be generous. He should not be a freeloader. I hate freeloaders. Like agar we go out in a group of friends, nikalo yaar apna pocket. You know, pay for things. Don't depend on other people to take care of you. He should have अपनी एक पहचान होनी चाहिए. He should also not be afraid of his woman's success. He should in fact find her success to be a strength, not.
Would you be okay being with a guy who's less successful?
If I was in love with him, and if you mean less successful in what way? Monetarily, fame-wise, you know.
Both.
See, I have been in a relationship which the person was not as monetarily or as famous as me, as successful or as independent. And it did not work out for those reasons. You know, it worked out because the person was not a good human being. There were a lot of other flaws, a lot of lies and stuff around that person. But for me, money has never been the gauge. But would I choose to be uncomfortable? I wouldn't. Because see, let me tell you, एक अपनी standard of living थी पैदाइशी, और एक मैंने बना दी खुद के मेहनत से. अभी मैंने स्ट्रगल भी किया है, मैंने टफ दिन भी देखे. तो अगर मुझे बाकी के दिन अच्छे देखने हो, why will I lie about it? You know, if अगर आज मुझे 10 दिन के लिए ब्रेक है और मुझे जाना है लंदन या जाना है न्यूयॉर्क, आई वॉन्ट टू बी एबल टू नॉट स्ट्रगल टू डू इट. सो आई वॉन्ट टू बी विद अ पार्टनर हु कैन अफोर्ड दैट, बिकॉज आई फील आई वर्कड हार्ड इनफ टू डिजर्व इट नाउ. यू नो, मैंने खुद भी किया है. I don't want to be the mama in a relationship.
Have you done that?
At times, yes, because the man has been mentally not, you know, and I want to be a girl who's taken care of and looked after as well. I think ye hak hai mera, and I'm not going to mince my words about it.
I hear all the alpha women say the exact same thing that you're saying.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, because I think in the real world they have to be that alpha. So then at home they want to be taken care of.
Yeah, I mean, you want to be a little princess, right? You want to be taken care of. You don't want to be the mother and father. I'm not marrying a man to mother him. No, I'll have my own kids for that. I'll mother them. But let me have a leveled man in every way. Because only then, tab less complexities honge, less ego hassles honge, less, I think, intimidation hoga. If a man is at par, you know, in every way, I think it's important. And I don't mind a man being higher than me, to be honest. You know, it's okay. Like, okay, I want to take a break. I don't want to feel the need ki, arey, I want to work because I want to work, not because I have to work.
अभी किस टाइप की शादी के रिश्ते आता है?
हर type के.
Yeah. And you
See,
go-
there are loads of really single men, unmarried, from big industrial homes still, who are not married or believe in late marriages, or have had, you know, relationships that have not worked out. No, so I get all kinds. And I get people even half my age, wanting to take me out for a date and things like that. And it's
But you're
interesting.
open to that?
Yeah, I think, see, a man has to be mentally mature. I have seen men who are older than me, but have the IQ of a fly, you know,
And EQ. Of
and a EQ of a fly too. So both balanced is very important, and that doesn't come with biological age. Like I think at 13 and 14 and 15, I was a lot more mature. मैं ज़्यादा mature थी, मैं ज़्यादा grown up थी than most women, girls my age. My thought process कि मुझे क्या करना है.
What if you get a lot of proposals from younger guys now after this podcast?
Oh, I'll be very open to it. I'm absolutely fine.
Yeah,
If they
but
can
then-
match my EQ and IQ, I'm absolutely fine.
What are your expectations of that younger guy?
As it would be with any guy.
Same.
But yeah, I'm sure that, with a younger guy, of course, he'd have to go through unko experiences. He's obviously much younger, तो उनको काफ़ी साल लगेंगे वो experiences के साथ wise होना, that an older elderly person would, have the maturity. But sometimes I've seen very, very young guys grow up so fast with the kind, उनकी जिम्मेदारियाँ, उनकी responsibilities, वो घर संभालते, वो business संभालते. At such a young age, even मैंने दोस्तों में देखा है कि there are some young guys who married so early, and at a young age उनको इतनी responsibility और जिम्मेदारियाँ दी गई हैं, and they shouldered them very well, and they're much wiser than their years. So I think age is just a number, physically and mentally. It's how you maintain, how you grow here and here, It's about that for anybody.